Put this slide in here because your book gives a lot of information on what is called alternation of generation, and this is a type of reproductive cycle in algae. Now, algal, remember, is plural of algae. So this is a type of reproductive cycle. Before, when we had binary fission and multiple fission and conjugation, that was for our single-celled, but with algae, they reproduce differently. And there is a figure in your book, figure 21, that shows you what sea lettuce looks like during this type of reproduction. But basically, what it is it's alternating generations. It alternates a gamete generation that is haploid with a diploid generation, which is the sporophyte generation. So with algae, it takes both of these haploid and diploid generations to complete their sexual cycle. Now, I'm not going to ask you a lot about these sexual cycles and asexual cycles because they can get to be very involved. You just need to know that gametes, remember, gametes are eggs and sperm. So when gametes join, those are haploid. When they join, they're going to form a diploid, because remember, gametes are half, and when they join, they're going to form a diploid generation, which is the sporophyte generation. The sporophyte generation is going to throw off spores. Spores are haploid, and they're going to form the gametophyte generation. And then they produce gametes, and then we're back to square one. All you really need to know about alternation of generations is that it is the way that algae reproduce, and that we're alternating between haploid and diploid forms of the same algae.